Hey Alyssa Ellen.
Hey Cyrus. How have you been?
Awesome. What have you been doing recently?
I don't know. My job does not give me a lot of hours. Times are tough, so I just hung around the house, watching some shows.
TV. You mean the large mass media networks?
Yeah. Like, what is wrong with that? Lots of people do that.
Haven't you heard they are sinking and losing a lot of their viewers? CNN just lost about half of their viewers, and Fox, NBC, and others are going nowhere.
Why is that? What the heck is going on?
During these tough times, people are demanding the truth about the financial and social world and do not want to be distracted by fake reality shows.
Oh, come on. Why in the world would they do such a thing? Don't they have hundreds of channels to give people access and choice?
The large media networks are massively funded by large corporations designed to manipulate news, brainwash us with the consumer advertisements, and control us like sheep. Despite the channels, they are only owned by 5-6 creatures.
Okay, so what should I watch? I guess the internet is the way to go. Right?
Correct. There are so many opportunities such as Press TV, Russia Today, and even Truth Never Told.
Wow. I never thought of that. Are these rich networks going to take revenge or improve what they are doing?
Look, all of the new policies that are and have failed to be implemented. It is no wonder why there is such censorship concern over SOPA, PIPA, and CISPA.
Wow. I should better get the truth out before it is too late. However, as a young girl, I find these channels not so interesting. Can you make Cyrus 992 fun?
Of course. I got to get my enthusiasm and passion out there so the masses can be entertained and working up to the truth instead of being dumbed down to people like Justin Bieber. I hope you are not a huge fanatic of that overrated maniac.
Well, kind of. I guess I have got to change what I do. I will take a look at soon.
Thank you. We need more young people to wake up. Let us get the masses working up to the truth and solution of the education system, personal finance, and urban design. You are welcome to do videos with me and hang sometime.
Sure. No problem. I will let my friends like Michelle Ruiz and Jessica Wilson know too.
Of course, anyone like you who looks nice and dresses amazingly. Lots of women in Orange County, California look like angels.
Oh, Cyrus. Okay, I will let you know when I'm ready. Thanks.
Sure. Anytime.